Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Settings and tapping Accessibility. This centralizes features so you don't hunt. Once done, enable one core tool, VoiceOver for spoken navigation, Zoom for magnification, or spoken content for reading text aloud, so you can test immediately. Make sure to connect any external devices, like a Bluetooth switch or keyboard, because they change how gestures work. Try a short action now, like swiping or tapping, to confirm the selected feature behaves as expected. Once your primary feature is active, customize controls so the phone fits you. For VoiceOver, adjust rotor settings and speech rate. This changes speed and what gets read, which prevents overload. For Zoom, set maximum magnification and filters so visuals stay sharp without jitter. If gestures are hard, enable assistive touch or switch control and map common gestures to a single tap. That simplifies multi-touch into one action. Test each change right away, because small tweaks make a big difference in daily use. To finish, streamline access. Set the accessibility shortcut so you triple-click the side or home button to toggle features instantly. Then, back up your device to iCloud so preferences persist across restores. Make sure to export or note custom gestures and switch mappings. If something goes wrong, restart the iPhone first, then check Bluetooth and accessories. If problems continue, reset accessibility settings selectively. This preserves other data while clearing conflicts and reapply your preferred customizations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.